Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Microsoft Clarity not working on Wix. So, if you're having trouble with Microsoft Clarity not working on your Wix website, in today's video we'll walk you through the process of troubleshooting and fixing this issue step by step to ensure Clarity is tracking your site properly. So, first, let's make sure that the Clarity tracking code is installed correctly. Simply go to your Microsoft Clarity account, copy the Clarity tracking code from your project and open your Wix editor, go to Settings and navigate to Tracking and Analytics. Then paste the tracking code into the head section of your site and ensure that the Clarity tracking code is placed properly. It should be in the header section of your site, not in the body of your page. Double check the Wix Tracking and Analytics setting to confirm in the correct location. Sometimes browser cache can cause issues with tracking. So you'll have to navigate to three-dotted icon in the top right, navigate to Settings, navigate to Privacy Search and Services, choose Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear, choose Cookies and Other Site Data and click on Clear Now. And that could also fix the problem. Now, JavaScript errors can also prevent Clarity from loading correctly. So open the DevTools on your browser. So press F12 on your keyboard, click on Open DevTools. Now, go to the Console tab, this is just right here, and look for any JavaScript errors that is caused here. So if you find errors, fix the issue by adjusting the code or troubleshooting the specific error message if you're familiar with coding. Now, to make sure everything is working, go to your Wix editor and click Preview. So you can navigate to your Wix editor and click Preview. Now visit your site and interact with it for a few minutes. Then check Microsoft Clarity to see if the session is being recorded or not. Now if you're on a Wix free plan, Clarity might not work properly. Clarity generally works with premium plans. So ensure that your site is upgraded to a paid Wix plan. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix Microsoft Clarity not working on your Wix website. If the issue persists, reach out to Wix support or Clarity Help Center for further assistance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.